DisputeSuite Credit Repair Full Review Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of DisputeSuite. All product links are included in the description below. DisputeSuite is a cloud-based credit repair CRM platform built specifically for credit repair businesses that need a comprehensive, scalable solution to manage clients, disputes, and business operations in one place. It's not made for DIY users. This is a professional-grade system designed for agencies and entrepreneurs. The platform offers robust features including client onboarding, customizable dispute letter templates, integrated credit report analysis, task automation, affiliate management, and full CRM capabilities. DisputeSuite also includes billing integration, secure document storage, team collaboration tools, and an optional client portal for streamlined communication. One of its strongest features is the dispute process automation. It allows bulk letter generation, dispute tracking by round and status, and automates key client updates. Another major strength is scalability. Whether you're managing 10 clients or 1,000, the system is built to grow with your business. It also supports multi-user environments and offers white labeling options for branding. Training and support are available, including weekly webinars and access to their credit repair business community. However, there are some drawbacks. First, the user interface is outdated and not as intuitive as some modern platforms, which means there's a learning curve. It's also relatively expensive, making it less suitable for new startups on a tight budget. Some users have reported occasional system glitches and slower updates, which can impact workflow. Additionally, there's no native credit report import integration with major monitoring services, so users must rely on third-party workarounds. Despite that, DisputeSuite remains a powerful option for established credit repair businesses that need a CRM-focused platform with end-to-end client management and dispute functionality. It's best suited for professionals who prioritize control, scalability, and robust back-end management over flashy design or simplicity. If you're running or planning to grow a serious credit repair operation, DisputeSuite offers a proven structure to support that growth. For access, demos, or pricing information, check out the links in the description below.